All right, bad mama, wig it out your face. Go ahead and eat. I am whipping together cream meal. We have peas in here. You know, peas are good. They're mixed with mineral, iron, zinc, potassium. They're also rich in protein. I added some turmeric in here because it's a calcium compound, which is an active ingredient. It's good for antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungus, and anti-cancer. Yes. And I also added rosemary, which is good function for dogs. Rosemary is effective for the digestive system, such as gas and indigestion. And she has been having a lot of gas lately. And I also have chicken in there, you know, which is a great source of protein. I got carrots in there. It's good vitamin A, potassium, and fiber. Next time I'm going to add some sweet potatoes. And I got my white rice in there. And it's plain gelatin. Let me read, because they said this is good. So I've been looking into different stuff. I'm trying to make her stuff for the whole week. Plain gelatin, it contains sulfate, both in keeping healthy joints. So basically the plain gelatin is helping to keep the joints lubricated. So she actually had some the other day, and yesterday, and she liked it. So we're doing this again. And it's all cooked down. I'm going to blend this in some. And then I'm going to serve it to her. She's hungry. She haven't ate yet. Oreo, you ready to eat? I know, Mama, you hungry. It's almost done. Now here is the after. You can puree this, but I'm going to leave this like this because it's soft. If it was like even though she's 7 months, but I'm still leave mine like this. You can puree it a little bit. If your dog probably don't have them teeth like that, so it can be soft, or you can leave it like this. So I'm gonna put these in cups and everything, but I'm about to feed her. I'm gonna have to let this cool down because homegirl ain't ate. You hungry? You ready to eat? Okay, here we go. You know what it's safe to say, she likes it. Just more healthier. I am going to find a different dog food. They got an all-natural dog food here in Atlanta. So I'm going to go check it out. Because I still want to add a little kibble in her meal. But she's going on a full diet. You can mix different meats you want in there. It doesn't matter. I don't know how you would be able to do a shellfish or sea. Make sure they're not allergic to it, but she likes her stuff. All right, bad mama, wig it out your face. Go ahead and eat.